Excuse the background noise, but this is the elevator at the Lawrence Street parking garage in Marietta, Georgia. Looks like we got an MEI. Oh look, bottom drive traction. Either that or this is a modernization.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, I'm joined with my dad. Smooth. Looks like they changed out the doors.
Okay, sorry.
We're gonna go back up. So yeah, this is bottom drive traction. Really smooth. Okay, we're gonna go back up and get a view. And we might get to go in the other elevator. Alright, here we go. Yeah, this is definitely a modernization. Alright, we're back up at 7. I'm going to send it down. This is the view from on top of the parking garage. That's a government building, I believe. We're not allowed to go inside. And the camera. Very bland view, so let's see. That over there's a stairwell, so. Oh yeah, there's Kennesaw Mountain. Alright, this is a little bit of a better view. Over there is the old Marietta passenger station. And over there they're building a new church or something. Yeah, it's an extension of the church. And over there's downtown. So now we're gonna go back down. And yeah, oh, looks like that elevator is actually stuck. Look, it's actually stuck.
Huh. Peligroso.
Here it is. Oh, it actually has classic leveling, it looks like. Door close button does not work for whatever reason. They also got out this window. This is an okay modernization. But anyways, let's ring the bell. Oh wait, it has no bell. There it goes, and that's it.